Hello everyone! Welcome! In this video, you will listen to some daily English conversations. Each conversation will give you some lessons to improve your listening and speaking skills. Now let's get started. Tips to improve English. In your opinion, what is the ultimate goal of learning English?
It is to be able to communicate with other people.
That's why improving your English skills is very important.
Many English learners face potential issues when learning English.
One issue is that some learners are too shy to start a conversation.
Sometimes, they understand what other people say in English,
but they are just too nervous to speak up. When we are not confident in our communication skills, we tend to remain silent or avoid conversations.
Another reason is that our listening skills may not be efficient enough to understand what other people say, or we may not have enough vocabulary to express our ideas.
Furthermore, some learners cannot afford English courses or the services of a tutor to help them with their English.
These issues often arise and hinder our ability to improve our English skills.
In this video, we hope to provide you with some useful tips to help you learn English better.
We encourage you to watch the video until the end and join us in practicing a short exercise.
1. Watch televisions and films in English. You can start by doing something that you enjoy. For example, if you enjoy watching movies, you could try watching some English movies or TV shows so that you can not only enjoy what you're watching, but also learn English passively. You can watch them repeatedly to practice imitating the accent and tone of native speakers. When watching an English film, keep in mind your learning goal. Otherwise, you might forget to practice English while watching.
2. Read English books or newspaper. If your hobby is reading books, you might want to try reading them in English. If reading a novel with thousands of words in English is difficult for you, you can start with some short English stories or news on the internet. There are several websites that can help you improve your English reading skills at your level. You can find online newspapers and magazines related to your interest in practicing English. Reading them out loud, maybe, is a helpful tip to improve your pronunciation.
3. Figure out your best time to learn. Are you an early bird or a night owl? Do you like studying in the morning or hitting the books at midnight? Before you start improving your English, ask yourself what the best time is to learn. Be as specific as possible so that you can improve English productively. For example, practicing listening and reading can be done in the early morning because it is quiet, which can help you to focus. It depends on your schedule as well. Share with us in the comments section below when and for how long you usually spend time learning a new English skill.
4. Listen to British and American music. Listening to music is not only a great way to relax, but also a perfect method to improve listening skills. You can go to music streaming websites and find your favorite songs. You might want to check the lyrics of the songs to understand the meaning behind them. This is also an interesting way to pick up new vocabulary through music.
5. Record yourself and your lesson. If you don't have anyone to practice with, or you simply want to enjoy your own time, you should try talking to yourself in English and recording your voice. There's also a new way to write diaries through voice and reflect on your learning journey. First, record it, and temporarily ignore your mistakes. Then listen to your recording again and find out what mistakes you made. This method can also boost your confidence and get yourself ready for some real-life conversations. 6. Don't forget to have fun while you learn. Don't force yourself to learn something you don't enjoy. You can think of some activities to make the way you learn English more interesting. For example, learning with your friends or creating funny English games. Moreover, you should always remind yourself the reasons why you start learning English. Maintaining a high motivation and enjoying the learning experience can help you focus on your goals better. Time flies. I guess we have to say goodbye for now.
How was the lesson today? Guys, I hope you were able to enjoy it.
And hopefully, those tips in the video are helpful for your learning journey.
If you want to practice more exercises, don't forget to check out our videos.
Feel free to share with us what other problems you have when studying English. We'll check them out as well and help you guys.
Stay tuned and see you in the next videos.